In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Steam API key. In Steam, you might need your API key to use if you're looking to Steam for accessing websites. To do that, first thing you need to do is to open your internet browser. Next, go to guest mode, then go into this site. After that, sign in your account, type in your account name, then your password, or you can sign in using QR code. Next thing you will do is to enter the domain name. Then check this box. I agree to the Steam Web API terms of use. After that, just hit the register button. And that's simply how you can get Steam API key. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified. For suggestions and questions, comment down below. Until the next one.